I want to talk to you about how to buy the right brush sizes for your face. Now, a lot of people will look at a brush like this and they'll say, oh, this is good for my bronzer, my powder, my blush. I could use this for a lot of things. But depending on the size of your face, you might actually need a more mid-size brush like this one, or a much smaller brush like this one. Because the problem is if you get one that is too big for your face, now you're just applying color everywhere. And you don't necessarily want that. You want to have a certain amount of control with your brushes. So you might find, if you've got a more narrow face like mine, that a smaller brush is going to fit better into the areas of application. And if you want it to be even more specific, like with cheek color, I really recommend that you keep it in a very small area of the face, softly blended, but you'll find that a smaller brush is gonna help you do that a lot better because you'll have more control. So of course, I'm only showing you on my face and I have a thin oval face shape. What you'll notice is that this brush takes up a lot of space on my face. If you were to put a larger brush on your face, how much space is it taking up when you splay it out? And if that is too large of an area for the product that you want to put on, it's too big for your face. Now let's move to this brush. You can see here, I have a lot more control. It takes up a lot less space, but this for me would be a great bronzer brush because it's still gonna take up a larger surface on my small face. And like I said before, if I wanted to spot specifically apply just a little bit of color or highlight, or even just a very subtle contour under the cheek, a small fluffy brush like this is gonna be way better. So you can tell on your face how much space does the brush take up. And this tip is also true for all your eyeshadow brushes. We don't have time to go into that in this video, but I hope that you'll stick around. And if you liked this, share it with a friend who might find it beneficial, and tell me how this shifted your perspective on the brushes you're using by leaving a comment below. And if you're looking for more personalized advice, I selectively offer one-on-one bespoke healthy beauty and style lessons for people mainly over 40 to show you the kinds of techniques that are really going to flatter your face with minimal amounts of stuff and a maximum amount of impact. I'm Kristen Arnett, and I hope you will follow me, get on the newsletter, because I really want to help you tap into your personal beauty and style in a truly uplifting way that feels good to you every day.